Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 5a, in which we will learn the makhraj of letter Dhal. We are learning Tajweed with this letter poem. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. We have learned that, and we have also started the second part, which is tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Can you repeat once? Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. We have learned tha, right? And how do you say tha? Touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of upper teeth. So if this is teeth and this is the tongue, you touch the tip and blow with a light sound like tha. For the three letters tha, dal and dha, the makhraj is same. That is the same spot for pronouncing them. So what is the difference? In dhal, what you do is blow with a strong sound. That's the only difference. You touch the tip at the same place and blow with a strong sound. Dha. Alright? And if you want to make sure that you bring only the tip out, you can cut the tip lightly and touch the hurting tip to the upper teeth. So you know you have the control of your tongue, because the hurting spot should be touching the upper teeth. So how do you say it? The or ad. So don't say it as za. Za is not same as the. So can you repeat after me 3 times? And the, the, then, then, dhun, then, then, dhun, then, then, dhun, then, then, dhun. Alright, let's practice some words. Repeat after me 3 times. Adhaba, 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 idha, الذين أعوذ MashaAllah. So we have started with tip letters, which is tha and dhal. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.